We go out bush a fair bit, and a little bit worried that one day a wallaby, a kangaroo might just jump out in front and just destroy our trip. It's not just a few weeks. Lately it's been months and months to get your car repaired, so hey, we'll give it a go, see what happens. Good morning all. Hey, I've woken up early this morning, it's a Saturday morning. I brought a bull bar and a winch. I'm going to put it on the Cannon. I have no experience of how to do it. I just looked at a YouTube video. The company OCAM have a in detail video of how to install it. So I thought, hey, I'll save a few dollars, give it a go myself. At least I know all the bolts are nice and tight. So here we go. Hey, first thing I've noticed when it arrived, the packaging. Hey, how great is this packaging? It's really professionally done. It only took, 5 days to arrive from Sydney to North Queensland. So, yeah, well, so far so good. I'll unpack it all, set it up, going to put it onto the Cannon. So I've removed the bumper from the GWM Cannon. Now, starting installing all the brackets. It wasn't all that much of a hard job. It's amazing what you can do when you've got nobody else and you really have to put your thinking cap on. But no, the instructions are pretty basic, so hey, we'll give it a go. We're doing well so far.
How you going, Kenny G?
Yeah, not too bad, getting there.
Slowly but surely.
Slowly but surely. There's a few things that you need somebody just to give you a hand. Yeah. And I've also got a winch as well. Yeah, just got it super cheap. It's just the basic winch. Yeah.
So what, you got to put the
I'll
winch?
probably save a couple of $1,000 all up.
So you got to put the winch on before you put the bumper, the bull bar on?
Yes.
How long have you been at it so far?
3 hours. 3 hours. It says 4 hours. I'm not in any rush.
But it's keeping Daddy busy out of trouble.
It is. There's a few little nooks and crannies that I had to get Cherie to give me a hand with. Okay, she got little fingers, little dainty fingers. I got big fingers. So, hey, she comes in handy.
So this is the bit you need a hand with. You want me to hold this in place?
Yeah.
You know?
Hang on, just wait. I've got to do something.
Why don't you put a little yoga mat down on the floor? It's not so hard on your old body there. Do you want me to get your yoga mat?
No.
And you can do a little bit of yoga.
Yeah.
Downward dog.
Oh, Cherie wanted a winch, so we had the. I got a bull bar. I wanted a bull bar. Cherie wanted a winch, so hey, we got both.
So it's best to put your winch on when you do it, so you don't have to take it all off.
Yeah. It's easier to get the winch
First.
while you're putting the bull bar on. Saves a lot of stuff about, I reckon. Yeah, we had to do some cutting the flares. We had to cut the grill.
Trim it smaller.
Yeah.
Why did you have to trim it smaller?
Oh, it fits the bull bar, and that's with the instructions.
How did you cut it?
Yeah, just with a little like grinder. Yeah, so no, there's a little bit involved. The YouTube videos and the instructions, it looks so easy, but in reality, it's not that easy. But hey, all up, I'm probably saving a couple of $1,000 with the bull bar and the winch.
So
okay, all up, it cost me $2,100 for the winch and the bull bar. It's an OCAM bull bar. You know, they've got a good name. It's a great looking product. very well packaged as well.
So you were saying the issue with the instructions was that the YouTube clip and the booklet instructions said different things.
Yeah, the OCAM YouTube video for the bull bar to fit to the car, and the instructions, the written instructions, they were kind of different. They were a little bit confusing, so maybe they can fix that up down the track.
So you took a bit from each.
I took a bit from each. We still had no idea, but hey,
it's working.
It's working.
As long as you don't drive down the road over big bumps.
No,
the speed bump and everything falls off.
I have a lot of faith in my ability to put the bolts on nice and tight. That's one good thing of doing it yourself. At least you know everything's nice and tight.
And you know your son-in-law, Zino.
Yeah, he's a perfectionist as well. Yeah, so.
So are you a perfectionist, are you?
Oh, no, I'm just a little bit, yeah, how's your father sort of thing. And happy Father's Day, by the way.
Oh my God, look at this mess. What are you doing, Kenny?
Yeah, day 2. Yesterday there was a few little hiccups with the install of the bull bar, but you know, I've got it sorted. The son-in-law's an engineer, so I got him around yesterday afternoon and he's coming back today just to do some technical fix-ups. So I've installed the cradle, mounting, I've done some cutting of the...
Is that
layers.
Just for the winch?
Yeah, that's the cradle in here.
So does this come for...
No, this is where you bolt the bull bar on.
Oh, and you can put your winch on it.
Yeah,